Hi there guys! Good morning! So my name is Eldrix and welcome again to my space. And for today's vlog, magkakaroon tayo ng visitation. Visitation! Dun sa aking previous work, which is Toys R Us. Gagayak muna kasi pupunta muna tayo ng agency dahil of course, kailangan natin mapapirmahan ng mga dapat mapapirmahan at higit sa lahat, maasikaso mga dapat maasikaso. So tara, samahan niyo muna ako. So, medyo mainit. Katanghalian ka pa. Mag-alauna na. And, tara, samahan niyo ko dahil it's time para magpunta ng agency. Harap na, let's go. Grabe yung init. The design is very barbecue. Nandito na tayo sa nasa New York. Hindi para mag-mall, kundi tumawid sa kabilang daan. Pupunta na tayo ng agency. Sana okay audio quality ko. Ayan, binabaybay. Lalim ah. Binabaybay ko na ang bundok ng North Edsa. Ayan, naibaba na natin ang Mount North Edsa. Maghanap muna tayo ng jeepney papuntang agency. Let's go.
Ginagawa mo!
So, nandito na nga tayo sa agency at may mga bagay na muna kami pag-usapan. So, see you later. So, pupunta na tayo sa ating final destination. Let's go! Yes! Hello! And we're here. Nandito na po tayo sa TRU Trinoma. And nandito ako sa bandang area ng babies. So, let's have a tour muna bago tayo makapagtikahan. So, this is the babies area. Daan. Sa bandang area. So, this is the babies area. So, tara, libutin natin. So this is the babies area. As you can see, nandyan lahat ng mga needs ng babies. And of course, the brand Vitec, Leaf Frog, and other assortments that is for babies. Yes. Ang nipis ng ng sahig. Parang pwede ako bumagsak. Opo. Top Tots. Of course, the brand under Toys They Adore It. Creation Nation is also here. Ayan, Creation Nation, which is an Toys R Us exclusive toy. And hello! Oh my God! Hi ka naman sa vlog. Other stuff here. Yan, may Crayola dito. We have the Crayolas from crayons to watercolor to markers from Silicents. So, sand, dough, sand, slime. They have also here. May mga itlog pa dyan. Yes. Magkano pa itlog dito? Magkano pa itlog dito? Per kilo po ba? Yan. So, may bubbles din sila dito. Parang palooban ng Crayola. They have also here the bucket sand. Yes. Meron dito sila. Kompletong-kompleto po ang kanilang Crayola. So, this is the sports and outdoor section. So as you can see, malawak ang area. For bikes, trikes, and outdoor needs such as pang-swimming, of course. Pang-swimming, basketball pambatas. We have the tennis, pan-DJ, yung mga Nerf gun, and other stuff that is perfect for outdoor. Let's go to... Saan ba tayo pwede magtungo? Hi! Hello! Tungo naman tayo dito sa may learning and fun section. Let's go. So, this is learning and fun. Yan, learning and fun. Commonly, sa learning and fun ng Toys R Us ay more on educational toys, more on learning materials, like animal stops, books, crayons, school supplies, and other necessities over here. Yan, kinetic sand here, Play-Doh, other stuffs, Sesame Street, Just Do, Jador. This is the vehicle world where you can locate all other toys such as Thomas and Friends, Matchbox, of course, may Dream Machine dito, of course, the Tomica is also present here, the Maisto, the Hot Wheels, of course, may brand ko to eh, Hot Wheels.
Yeah, look at this police ride.
Other portions of Tomica. Road Rats are also here. Dicky Toys. Dicky Toys. Metal Machines. Lahat ang hindi pa expert sa pagbablog eh. Monster Jam is also present here. Tech Deck. Hi Kuya. And Clicks. And other stuffs. Yan. Dito rin yung mga action figures such as Spider-Man, DC Toys, Masters of the Universe, McFarlane Toys is also here. We have the Aikido here, and other Hot Wheels stuff here. Dami, diba? At saka, Paw Patrol, of course. The Hot Wheels Skate. Also this Batman, the Lanky Box is also here, Minecraft, oh yes, Toybot collection, Completos Ricardos, Beast Lab, we have a Beast Lab, Godzilla and Kong, and Dojitsu, Godzilla and Kong, Beyblade, oh yes, Beyblade, they have here. Next off, punta naman natin yung girls section. Tapos tayo sa boys, sa babae naman tayo. Here are the stuffs for girls. Here. Of course, you have the baby blush. Dilly Deli, ewan ko. Di alam ang brand. And Puella, we have here Puella. We have here My Story, their exclusive brand. Disney Princess, we have here the Disney Princess. And may pa-viewing party sila rito. May pa-viewing party ng ano, Brave. Tama ba yung movie, Brave? Baka bobo lang talaga ako. And so we have the dolls here. Yeah, doll check. We have also other accessories from Disney. The stuffed toys. The stuffy toys, yes! So this is the Frozen. Ayan, Frozen. So we have Anna and Elsa here. Hi! Hello! What's your name? Oh. Here are other areas for girls. So we have here the stuffs from TY. Other stuffed toys. We have, of course, here the Friends for Life. We have some exclusive Toys R Us plushies. Oh, Sesame Street is also here. What the heck? Peppa Pig, of course. Hinaya ko talaga ang mo. Now, of course, ang aking paborito is Barbie. Barbie here. Color reveal, pop reveal. Beauty reveal, other specific Barbie dolls here. Meron dito from accessories to toys. Everything that you need from Barbie. Meron dito. Yan. Talagang inikot ang buong. Ayan. Ayan. Diba?
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at these accessories. They're so cute. Smaller toys here. And tip lang, so this is the area kung saan ako dati na duty rito sa TRU Trinoma. So ito yung pinalulugaran ko. Dito ako duty dyan, nakatayo all over the place. In-on-loan ako for 4 days at sa Barbie lang po ako nakatambay. Wala na pong iba kasi kung may iba, pakatawagin akong kabet. Charot. So Vanian family, we have also here the Penny Pen, the Avastars, Zuru, Madrid, Zuru pa naman. The Hello Kitty stuff here, meron din sila Fiji, Blossom Bunnies, the Piñata, meron din sila Gabby's Dollhouse, of course, hindi pwedeng wala si Gabby's Dollhouse. So, legendary too. Meron din silang other stuff ng Hello Kitty here. The Miraculous and Monster High. Ang dami ng mga ano dito. Cry Babies, My Little Pony, and Mini World, of course. Also here. As a window shopping person muna ako ngayon. Libot pa tayo rin. We have this Monopoly. Yes, Monopoly. This sequence. Some electric fans here. Mini fans. Mga puzzles. They have also here. They have also other toys that can be played by the family. Here, my Play Pop, exclusive brand DTRU. There. Play Pop. Of course, my brand Spin Master Games. Here, for Paw Patrol, Gabby's Dollhouse. Tara. Maglibot-libot nga tayo rito. Makipagchikahan tayo sa aking vlog. Na-miss ko ang chikahan. Halika, isagad na natin ang chikahan. Ay, itong una kong bunot. Busy-busy ko siya, mga kaibigan. Ate, say hi ka naman sa vlog. Hi. What's your name? What's your name, ate?
Angelina.
Angelina. How long ka na rito sa Toys R Us Trinoma? Veterana na po daw siya rito. Hi, te. I miss you. Also, other things here. Grabbing Dragon Shiver, Sea Battle, Chess Teacher, Spirograph, among others. Here. So, ayan. May Carnival din dito. Carnival, basketball. Of course, my favorite, Uno. A lot of Uno here. Maraming Uno. Uno dyan. Uno rito. Yan. Uno Flip, DOS, Barbie, Transfer, Uno Junior Move. Please don't move. Don't feed the pandas. Tic-Tac-Toe, the Scrabble, the Rubik's Cube we have here also. Kompleto yan. Kompleto si Ricardo. Si Rubik's Cube. We have the Cardinal Classics over here. And for children also na mga toys. There. Collector's area. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda. It's so beautiful. They have Marvel here. The Hasbro. The Star Wars. The Power Rangers. And other things here. Maganda. Look at this place. Sana ganyan din siya window namin sa bahay. And look at this. This is a big one. So, Tech Zone naman tayo. And Tech Zone is here, ladies and gentle dogs. Ayan, lahat ng mga modern gadgets. Meron sila rito. All these modern gadgets. Ganda. Ayan, may mga stuff sila dito yan. Mga adulting 101. Siya. Ayan, mga pang technology. Ayan. Ayan, Nintendo. yung we've got what's hot area nila. Yan, nandyan yung mga newest toys, newest releases toys na is either Toys R Us exclusive, first release in Toys R Us, or yung mga trending toys ngayon na medyo pumapatok sa mga bata. Ayan, may demo area and everything else here. Nandyan, kompleto. Kompleto Ricardo sila. Ayan, meron din dito mga pambaon from Skip Hop. Hello. Of course, we have the Lego collection here. Yan, meron sila dito tinatawag na Creative Roy. Dito kayo magbubuo ng mga something stocks na gusto ninyo using their demonstration Lego pieces here, diba? We have, of course, the Lego Friends collection over here. We have the Lego Disney, Lego Duplo, Lego Creator, Lego City, Ninjago, Lego Technique over here. Of course, their classic signature Legos also here. So, pinaka-entrada nila, which is dito commonly nagdi-display ng mga highlighted items si Toys R Us. And dito minsan may mga nagaganap na mga competitions or some gimmicks na pang-attract sa mga customers. And ito po pala yung counter area nila, yes. Look at how beautiful the counter is. So, diba? Andyan yung pinaka-highlight ng Toys R Us, ang logo na si Geoffrey the Giraffe. Tama ba? Geoffrey the Giraffe. And then yung mga friendly sales staff nila, yan, kompletong-kompleto yan. Organic baby wipes here. May umiikot na Hot Wheels. Ayan. Paboritong kalkalin ng mga collector. Tapos ang pipiliin, mga collector's item. Pero yung mga fantasy ay na nilang pansinin. Tapos minsan na nakakaloka pa, bibili sila ng kotse. Hindi nila ayusin yung rack. Nag-rack. Uy, bitin siya. May part ba yan? Abangan. I'm back. Nagagandahan at naggagwapuhan mga empleyado ng Toys R Us. Ito yung ate-atehan ko rito. Ayan. Sumasain niyo po ang macho dancer ng Berties. OIC. Oo. Diba? Vivo. OIC siya rito ng Rich Prime.
Lagyan mo ng di ba abbreviation?
Yeah, abbreviation. OIC as in officer in charge. Pabulungin ng Rolex. Ano ba? Nag-iisang pinakamagandang cashier na buntis dito. Yes. Hi guys! Always remember, my space is your space. Follow all my social media accounts and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Eldrix Dimal. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get early and easy access on all things happening on my space. I'll see you on my next video. Signing off for now.